guys, Presidential Gaming 2020 here, and today I'm back with the What's Inside video, and today we have this Lego Harry Potter Attack on the Burrow. I know this is just like the Weasley's home, but it came with like 1,047 pieces. Like, that is a lot. Number is 75980. Let's see what was inside. I know this is just like the unboxing, but it's alright. Let's still do that. Some plates, the unmarked bag. Got bags, instruction. Four, two, five, 7, 3, and 1. Is that it? I'm just gonna end the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. If you haven't, please do so now. Thank you and goodbye.